Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your YouTube caption. You'll be able to change the text style, the text size, the font size, the color of the caption, and the rest of it. Guys, normally on YouTube, if you're watching a YouTube video, maybe you can't clearly hear what the person that is making the video is saying. We normally turn on the caption so that we will get the text representation of what the person is saying. But sometimes the caption or the text itself is not visible, maybe because of the color combination or maybe the color of the text, maybe the size of the text. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change everything about your YouTube caption, the text size, the text color, the font style, everything. So make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step you have to take is to tap on your YouTube app. To open it, you open your YouTube. So guys, once you open up your YouTube app, this is what our YouTube interface looks like. You can see it. So guys, the next step that you have to take is to tap on your YouTube profile icon. You can see it there at the top right corner. You tap on it. So guys, the next step you have to take now is to tap on your settings. You can see your settings down below. You tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. Then you're going to see where it is written captions. That's the third to the last option. You tap on it. So guys, this is where we actually do the magic. What you have to do first of all is to toggle on the use caption option. You can see there at the top, toggle it on. So guys, now we've toggled on the use captions. You can see over here, this is the standard options. This is what your caption will look like when you're watching a YouTube video. They are just giving you an example of what your YouTube video, what your caption will look like when you're watching a YouTube video. So guys, if you look down here, you're going to see three settings. That's the language settings, the text size, and the caption style. First of all, let's tap on the first one, which is the language settings. Let's tap on it. You can see here, you can see we have so many languages here. You can actually choose the language you want your captions to be represented. If you want your caption to be in Chinese, go ahead to choose Chinese language. If you want it to be in Arabic, you go ahead and choose Arabic language. So guys, let's cancel out of this. Let's go over to the second settings, which is text size. Let's tap on it. As you can see now, is on normal. You can go ahead to choose very large, or you can choose large. Or maybe when you're watching your YouTube videos, maybe the caption or the text is usually small and your eyes can't see them. What you have to do is to tap on very large. Let me tap on very large. So guys, now you can see on the standard options, the caption itself has increased. You can see it there from the example YouTube gave to us. You can see before it was actually small, now it has increased. Okay guys, let's go over to the third settings, which is caption style. Let's tap on it. So guys, you can see now you can actually change the color of your caption, change the color of your text. So guys, let's go for the black and yellow, which is the fourth option. Let's tap on it. So guys, you can now see now our caption is now black and yellow. You can see it on the standard options. It's now black and yellow. Let me change the color again so you know what I'm saying. Let's change it to the blue and yellow. So guys, now you can now see that the caption is now blue and yellow. So guys, this is how you can actually change your caption size, the text size, the caption style, and every other thing. So guys, now you can see the settings I've chosen. The caption is blue and yellow. Let's go and watch a YouTube video. Let's see what the caption is going to look like. So let me go over to my YouTube app now. Let me watch a video. Which video am I going to watch? So let me tap on this video over here. Let me tap on it.
You need a website, whether you're a freelancer or you're an agency or you're a...
Sorry guys, I had to reduce the volume. So guys, now you can now see that our caption size has increased. Now the caption color is yellow and blue. So guys, this is actually awesome, and I believe if you got value from this, if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.